Ginger. It's a spice known worldwide. Many folks love its zesty flavor. For centuries, people have used ginger in food and as medicine. This humble root is a powerhouse. Its journey from farm to table is changing. Technology is playing a big part. We're seeing new ways to grow and process it. This means better ginger for everyone. It also means new chances for farmers. The demand for ginger keeps growing. People want it fresh, dried, powdered, and pickled. It goes into drinks, candies, and health products. This global appetite puts pressure on farmers. They need to grow more ginger efficiently and ensure it's high quality. Modern tools are helping them meet these demands. From planting the first seed piece to packing the final product, technology touches every step. Let's see how technology is shaping the future of this amazing plant. Good ginger starts with good soil. Ginger likes loose, well-drained soil. Compacted earth is no friend to ginger roots. Modern farmers use powerful tools for proper tillage. Rotavators and plows break up the soil effectively. This helps with aeration and drainage. The goal is a welcoming bed for the ginger. Technology makes this heavy work faster and more consistent. Soil enrichment is also key. Ginger is a hungry crop needing plenty of nutrients. Farmers test their soil and add what's needed. Organic matter like compost and well-rotted manure is vital. Modern spreaders help distribute these evenly. Precision applicators put nutrients exactly where needed, reducing waste and protecting the environment. This careful preparation sets the stage for thriving ginger rhizomes. Healthy soil means healthy plants and a good harvest. Technology helps achieve this soil health with greater efficiency. It allows farmers to manage larger areas while still focusing on quality. The groundwork is crucial for a successful ginger crop. Once the soil is ready, it's time to plant. Ginger is grown from seed pieces, small sections of the rhizome with a few buds. Traditionally, planting was done by hand, slow and labor-intensive. Modern ginger farming often uses semi-automated planters. These machines are a game changer, pulled by a tractor. The planters have hoppers filled with ginger seed pieces. The machine opens a furrow, drops the seed pieces and covers them with soil in one pass. This ensures consistent spacing and depth, leading to a more uniform crop. Semi-automated planters reduce drudgery and free up farm labor for other tasks. Some advanced planters have sensors to adjust planting depth based on soil conditions. These planters combine human oversight with machine efficiency. This helps farmers plant larger areas quickly when conditions are best. Getting the ginger starts in right is crucial. Technology helps make that happen. It ensures a strong beginning for the crop. Consistent planting leads to easier management and simplifies harvesting later on. This is smart farming in action. These planters represent a big step forward. They help farmers adapt to new times and bring this wonderful spice to the world. After planting, the ginger needs care. Water is essential, especially in the early stages. Ginger likes consistent moisture but hates waterlogged soil. Modern irrigation shines here. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the plant's roots. They use a network of pipes and emitters releasing water slowly, drop by drop. Drip irrigation is incredibly efficient, reducing water waste significantly. Some systems can be automated with soil moisture sensors. These sensors tell the system when to water and how much to apply. Weed control is another big task. Weeds compete with ginger for water and nutrients. Modern approaches include using mulch and mechanical cultivators. Pest and disease management is also critical. Integrated pest management, IPM, combines different methods. Biological controls like beneficial insects can be used. Drones are even being used now to spot pest outbreaks early. This allows for targeted treatment, reducing the need for widespread spraying. Technology helps keep ginger happy and healthy. Healthy soil and good practices are the first line of defense. This ensures a thriving ginger crop. After many months of careful nurture, harvest time arrives. Harvesting ginger is a delicate operation. The rhizomes grow underground and must be dug up carefully. Traditionally, this was all manual labor. Workers used digging forks or hoes to loosen the soil and gently lift the clumps of ginger. For smaller farms, manual harvesting is still common, however it is slow and labor-intensive. Mechanical harvesters are now available. These machines are designed for root crops and can significantly speed up the process. Some are tractor-pulled implements with blades that go under the ginger. They lift the rhizomes and soil onto a conveyor. The conveyor system helps shake off some of the excess soil. Some advanced harvesters have a preliminary cleaning stage or a section for quick sorting. These machines reduce the physical strain on workers. They allow farmers to harvest large areas quickly. Once harvested, the ginger must be transported carefully to a processing unit or packing shed. Efficient transport ensures the ginger arrives in top condition. The journey from soil to shed is a vital link. When the ginger arrives from the field, it's not ready for your kitchen yet. It's covered in soil and other debris. The first step at the processing unit is a thorough cleaning. Clean ginger looks better, has a longer shelf life, and is safer for consumers. Modern ginger processing factories use advanced cleaning technology. High-pressure washers spray water at great force, effectively removing stubborn dirt and soil. Some systems use rotating brushes that gently scrub the ginger as it's being washed. For an even deeper clean, some facilities use ultrasonic cleaning. The ginger is submerged in water, and ultrasonic waves create tiny bubbles that implode with great force. This action dislodges even microscopic particles of dirt and helps to reduce microbial load. After washing, the ginger is usually rinsed with clean water. The goal is to have ginger that is spotless. This commitment to cleanliness meets food safety standards and ensures a high-quality final product. Getting it squeaky clean is a priority. After cleaning, the ginger needs to be sorted and graded. Not all rhizomes are created equal. Sorting separates the ginger based on size, shape, and quality. Traditionally, sorting was done by hand. Enter modern sorting technology. High-tech optical sorters use cameras and lights. The ginger passes along a conveyor belt, and the cameras scan each piece rapidly. They analyze size, shape, color, and texture. They can even detect defects like bruises or signs of disease. The machine then uses jets of air or small mechanical arms to gently divert the ginger into different chutes. Artificial intelligence, AI, is making these sorters even smarter. AI-powered cameras can learn to identify subtle defects that a human eye might miss. This level of precision leads to greater consistency in grading and significantly increases throughput. A machine can sort tons of ginger per hour, far beyond human capacity. This technology improves efficiency and overall quality control. It ensures that only the best ginger reaches the market. The great ginger sort is now faster, more accurate, and more objective than ever before. Once sorted and graded, some ginger is sold fresh with its skin on. However, a lot of ginger undergoes further processing. Peeling is a common next step. Removing the skin makes the ginger ready for culinary uses. Automated peeling machines are valuable. They use abrasive rollers, brushes, or steam to remove the skin efficiently. These machines save labor and provide a more consistent peel. After peeling, ginger is often cut. It might be sliced, diced, or minced, depending on the final product. Automated cutting machines handle this task with precision. They ensure that all pieces are consistent. Consistency is important for cooking and drying processes. Proper drying preserves quality, prevents mold growth, and makes ginger easier to store and transport. Modern methods like solar hybrid dryers and hot air dryers are widely used. The final steps before ginger reaches consumers are packaging and storage. Proper packaging protects the ginger during transit, extends its shelf life, and provides information to the buyer. For fresh ginger, packaging might involve breathable bags or containers. For dried or processed ginger, airtight packaging prevents moisture absorption and preserves flavor. Vacuum packaging and nitrogen flush systems are common techniques. These technologies ensure that ginger arrives in excellent condition, even after a long journey. The impact of modern farming technology on ginger is huge. It has increased efficiency at every stage, from land preparation to final packaging. This means more ginger can be produced with less labor and often with higher quality. Sustainable practices are also gaining importance. Drip irrigation saves water, precision fertilization reduces runoff. Integrated pest management minimizes chemical use. Ginger's journey is a testament to human ingenuity. It shows how we can blend tradition with technology. The future of ginger farming looks bright. Continued innovation will bring more improvements. This fiery root will continue to spice up our lives, thanks to the hard work of farmers and the smart application of technology.